Hey everyone! In this video, I'll explain how ClickRank.ai can get your website optimized in just a few steps. We begin by connecting your Google Search Console and adding our JS code to your website. This integration allows us to analyze your website's performance and fine-tune our suggested optimizations to match your searcher's intent. Once connected, the dashboard gives you even deeper insights into your website's performance and areas for optimization. Once you land here, you'll be able to track key metrics such as total clicks, impressions, and average search position, all updated dynamically in real time. Scroll down and you'll find detailed breakdowns by country, showing where your traffic is coming from. Dive deeper with keyword distribution metrics, which highlight where your keywords rank. Easily analyze which terms dominate the top 3 positions and which ones may need attention. Finally, uncover critical insights with the click loss in queries and pages sections, showing where you're losing engagement and helping you focus on areas that need improvement. Plus, access detailed reports like low CTRs, top-performing queries, and keyword opportunities to help you refine your SEO strategy further. Now, let's look at one of the most powerful tools in ClickRank, the Site Audit feature. With the Site Audit, you get a complete overview of your website's health. From errors and warnings to notices, ClickRank helps you identify and resolve issues that may affect your site's performance and search rankings. Here, you can see a detailed breakdown of the site's current status. ClickRank's automation settings take the hassle out of manual fixes. Simply enable auto-solving for common issues like missing title tags, duplicate H1 tags, or overly long meta descriptions. This ensures your site stays optimized without requiring constant oversight. The visual audit overview also makes it easy to pinpoint specific areas that need attention, allowing you to prioritize and address issues effectively. With the Site Audit feature, maintaining a fully optimized website has never been this simple and efficient. Drilling deeper into the Site Audit, ClickRank makes it easy to address specific issues. For example, here we're focusing on too long title tags, which can impact how your pages are displayed in search results. The dashboard provides a list of all affected pages, along with the exact title tags that need attention. Each issue is clearly marked as Action Required, so you know exactly where to focus your efforts. And the best part? With one click on Solve All, ClickRank automatically adjusts these titles to meet SEO best practices, saving you time while ensuring compliance with search engine standards. This level of granularity combined with automation makes resolving site issues faster, easier, and more effective than ever. Now, let's move to one of our clients' favorite features in ClickRank, which is performance analysis. Here, ClickRank provides a detailed breakdown of your site's queries, pages, countries, and more. On this screen, you can analyze specific search queries and their impact. For example, keywords like masonry and waterproofing Toronto highlight opportunities to optimize for better rankings and engagement. ClickRank also offers keyword optimization analysis to refine your content for specific search terms. For instance, the waterproofing Toronto page shows a 40% keyword score. With actionable insights for improving headings, meta descriptions, and on-page content, you can optimize your page to rank higher effortlessly. Now, let's take a closer look at the Page SEO Optimization feature, your one-stop solution for improving organic traffic to specific pages. Here you can refine every critical aspect of your page's SEO, from title tags and meta descriptions to schema, internal links, and content structure. For example, this page already has a professional title and description, but with one click on Auto-Optimize Page Title, you can leverage ClickRank's AI to generate a highly effective SEO-friendly title based on real-time data. On the right, you'll see our Optimization Strategy menu. Options like Traffic Comeback help you recover lost traffic by targeting keywords with declining performance, while strategies like Trend Seeker help you capture the latest keyword trends and stay ahead of your competition. With these tools at your fingertips, optimizing your page becomes not just efficient, but incredibly impactful for driving results. You can also create automated internal links with one click using our smart internal linking algorithm. Our AI analyzes your site's structure and content, identifying opportunities to create intelligent internal links that connect related pages. This helps improve user navigation, increases click-through rates, and enhances your site's SEO health. With just one click on Auto-Suggest Smart Internal Links, you can apply these recommendations instantly, making sure your pages are strategically interconnected to drive more traffic and retain visitors longer. Now, let's talk about schema markup, a vital component of modern SEO. ClickRank simplifies schema implementation with the Schema tab. With ClickRank, you can generate schema markup automatically. Simply click Auto Schema Markup Generation, and the AI will create structured data tailored to your page, ensuring your site communicates effectively with search engines. This feature takes the guesswork out of schema optimization, giving you a technical edge in your SEO strategy. Finally, let's look at the Content Optimization feature, designed to transform your pages into SEO powerhouses. ClickRank uses advanced AI combined with insights from Google Search Console to inject relevant keywords and optimize your content. This process improves your page's relevance and visibility without altering its meaning or tone. With just one click on Auto Content SEO Optimization, you can ensure your content is enriched with the right keywords while maintaining its natural flow, making it more appealing to both users and search engines. This feature is perfect for boosting rankings and ensuring your pages consistently perform at their best. To wrap up, let's explore the Reports section, a powerful tool to generate actionable SEO insights. ClickRank's Reports feature allows you to analyze keywords, pages, click-through rates, top queries, and much more. For instance, the Top Query Per Page option provides insights into which keywords drive the most traffic to specific pages and which ones underperform. Creating a report is simple. Just select the time period, choose how to order pages and queries, whether by clicks or impressions, and generate a detailed report in seconds. Once the report is generated, you'll have a comprehensive overview of your top-performing pages and queries. For example, here you can see how specific keywords like waterproofing Toronto perform across multiple pages, with data on clicks, impressions, and whether they're optimized in titles, meta descriptions, or content. These insights give you a clear roadmap for improving your SEO strategy and prioritizing areas that will get you real fast results from Google. And you can always optimize any keyword for these elements by clicking on Optimize button. Isn't that great? ClickRank isn't just a tool. It's a comprehensive SEO solution designed to make optimizing your website simple and effective. Our platform offers everything you need, from advanced performance tracking and optimization strategies to smart automation that saves you time and resources. With just one click, you can make impactful SEO changes, gain actionable insights, and elevate your website's ranking. ClickRank works seamlessly with any CMS, giving you full control of your SEO, whether you're using WordPress, Shopify, or a custom solution. And with flexible pricing plans, you can choose the option that best suits your needs, starting from as low as $69 per month. Get started today and see how ClickRank can transform your website traffic and search visibility. Ready to optimize your website? Sign up now and unlock the power of ClickRank.